I'm panicking. I'm panicked. Okay, there's nothing we can do about it now. There's nothing we can do about it now. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Zit. So nice to have you here. It's like, I definitely wanted you here. So today I'm coming at you barefaced because if I don't end up liking how this goes, I feel like I'd rather know that I didn't put that much effort into this video. The bags under my eyes though are coming for me, so I'm just gonna put on my glasses so I don't feel as attacked. Yeah. So today I'm gonna try waxing my armpits on camera. Who gave me this idea? Basically, quarantine has been driving me crazy. There's certain things that I can't do, like mani-pedis, get a wax. I'm just trying to figure out ways to do things from home because even once things start lifting, I think the only place I'm really dying to go to is the gym. Like, I don't plan on starting to go to nail salons, hair salons, like anywhere. I don't plan on going anywhere normally until like we know for a fact that there's like nothing happening. I'm trying to think of ways that I can start doing things myself. I think you guys also saw on Instagram a while ago, I posted like I bought all this nail stuff. So I have nail stuff. I'm just trying to give my nails a break for a while, and then I will get back into that. Before we get into this video, please be sure that you are subscribed. I always leave a reminder somewhere in these videos. Just hit that button right down below and let's get into this video. So I just took a shower and this growth is like, my hair takes a long time to grow. So this growth is a couple weeks. The reason why I want to start sugaring my armpits is because I shave my armpits, and then what I was planning on doing this year is moving to laser. Because of the darkness under my arms, I really want that to start correcting itself, and it doesn't correct itself. You need to do something like laser, waxing, something that's like exfoliating to the skin because your armpits are always down. I assume it has something to do with sweat and the constant rubbing. So I really want them to be lighter, or at least like just a little bit lighter. They're very, very dark. So even when I don't have hair under my arms, it kind of looks like I have hair under my arms. I just want to wax them. I think my wax is ready. I made this wax a while ago. I followed A Between's tutorial on that. My wax warmer is technically not even like a wax warmer. It's technically a candle coffee warmer. So what I have to do is just like let it warm up on that, and then also kind of watch the consistency and let it cool. So this is what it looks like. And this to me is too runny to wax with. I did like a sample on Tyler's arm, not his whole arm, but like his like wrist area. And it basically, this is gonna be too sticky. So I'm just letting it cool and I'm just mixing it around. So yeah, I'm just mixing it around like so, like that, to cool. And it's already starting to thicken up. So I'm just gonna let it cool and watch it. And then get back into this video. Okay, I think it's ready. I really don't know because I've never done this before. Like, it's much thicker. You see that? So I'm gonna put on gloves only because this stuff is so sticky that it's gonna get stuck in my hands. I'm gonna get annoyed. One, I'm just remembering what my waxing lady does realistically. I'm gonna take some powder and powder the area. This might be a lot, but oh, there's a bird at my window. He's spying on me. I don't know what this does, so don't ask. Okay, so then I'm gonna pull my wax. And this girl, again, I'll reference the same video if I find it. She did hers in like 2 sections. So she did the bottom half of her armpit and the top half. This is looking very thick. Oh gosh, it's like everywhere. Oh my Lanta. Okay, where's another? I'm panicking. I'm panicked. I'm so scared. Like, I'm actually like afraid now that it's here. It's happening. Okay. I guess I should pull it off. So what happens now? Oh, it's still so sticky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no, it's send help. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry a little. Like I'm gonna lie down and take a nap. And this is why I wore gloves, because like it's so sticky. It is not easy to do it yourselves, y'all. Okay, let me see if I can at least. Like it's not. Oh, it's like I'm making toffee in my armpit. I don't like quitting at things. Oh fuck, I closed my arm. But I mean, I just feel like this is not at all the way it needs to be going. I'm gonna try to do top to bottom. And I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap. Where's my phone? Get this towel, use it as a pillow. And let this dry. Let me. It's still too sticky. I can already tell. Like there's no. Oh! Oh! Oh, that fucking hurt. Whew! Oh, I think I got the bottom! I hope I was in frame. Okay, maybe we got it. That killed like a mofo, but I think I just need to let it dry for a little bit longer. Because I did the top after, remember? Okay. Okay, I want you guys to like see it. Like it's gone, the bottom hair is gone. Whew! The problem is that like now I have, oh yeah, there's hair in there. I want to see if it will focus. Yeah! I'm waxing my armpits. Do you want to see? Doesn't help that I have live gloves, but I mean, I'll back everything. Okay, let's try. Yes, queen. I'm just gonna try and get rid of all this excess. Okay, just call me an esthetician already. Hey. That was so hard. I was so happy to be able to put my arms down. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. So I'm glad I'm wearing gloves, but like I don't know what to do. Because this sugar is like all gonna go to waste because I can't like do my other arm with this glove because once I put this glove on this hand, it's the opposite, if that makes sense. I have like wet wipes. I'm just gonna, oops, like that. Wipe my armpit. Oh, I'm so happy with that. I'm actually like, it wasn't that bad because I don't have thick hair. So if you have thicker hair, this might really suck, just like waxing does, like it does suck. But I have to go get more gloves and I'm gonna go do the other armpit. Oh my gosh. I'm really happy with this. Dang. But that's crazy. Let's look at before and after. Okay, let me get my gloves and do the other side. And when I look closely, there's a couple hairs I couldn't get, but like, I'm really not like pressed about it. We are in quarantine, so it's fine. So let's do the other one. Top to bottom. I recommend wearing a shirt or a tube top you don't care about because this shit gets everywhere. I try my best to be in frame just in case I wasn't for the first one. I forgot to put baby powder on this armpit. Okay, there's nothing we can do about it now. Fuck, I was just so excited. Damn! And I don't think I need to lie down this time because the wax has cooled again for even longer, so. This shit sucks. Like it really does. I wish there was a better way to sit. Look at my shirt. Fuck. Sticky. There we go. Ugh. Freaking kills. Whew. Let's see if I can just get the rest of it off. That would be great. Okay, no, I'm making a bigger mess. Okay. Down here hurts the most. Shit. Okay. Giving up on that. It's over. The other arm was way better than this one. The powder definitely made a difference because it is now like totally stuck to my arm. So I'm gonna go rinse this off and give you my final thoughts. In conclusion, I had to change my shirt because I got wax everywhere, but my armpits are waxed. Amazing. Okay, so my armpits are waxed. I think it's not bad. Like, it's not a bad experience if you're prepared. So I had everything I needed, which was great, but I obviously forgot to be part of the second arm, and you could tell, like I can tell with how it came out. Like this one hurt 10 times more. And the wax was pretty stuck onto my skin because of the fact that there was no baby powder there. So I'm happy with it. Obviously Rome wasn't built in a day, so the discoloration will just go away the more that I do it. But it's good to know that I have this as an option opposed to shaving. I think I'm going to experiment with other parts of my body, like my legs. I honestly have thin hair, guys, like really fine hair. So use that to your discretion. If you have thicker hair, this might suck a whole lot more. But aside from that, I'm happy with it. I'll do it again. I'll keep doing it. Like in comparison to shaving, honestly, it didn't take that long. And you know, if I feel like I'm seeing results, I'll definitely let you guys know. It should help lighten that area, plus exfoliating. I'm gonna exfoliate in about like 2 or 3 days. And that should also help with the discoloration. And then we'll go from there. We'll have like a little armpit journey, I guess. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about anything I did. There was a lot of comments, questions, or concerns on my side. And as always, please subscribe to me. It means so much, and one day it'll pay my bills. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.